Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be seeing how to install Java JDK 11 in Windows machine. Additionally, we will be also seeing how to configure Java path in environment variable for Eclipse. Let's go to google.com and if you type Java 11 JDK download, you will be getting a result like this. Click on Java SE 11 archive downloads. On clicking that, you will be getting an option like this. Go to Windows X64 installer. In that, you can click this link. Okay, JDK 11.0.19 Windows X64 bin. Click on the link. You will be getting a pop up like this. Click on the check box. On clicking the checkbox, you will be having a download option. Click on the download option. On clicking download, it will be taking to the Oracle website. If you are already having a login and if you are logged in the browser, it will be allowing you to download the JDK automatically. If you are not logged in the Oracle page, it will be asking you to log in the Oracle website. Okay. So currently I logged in already in the Oracle account. So it not asked me to log in the Oracle account and download the JDK. If you not have the account with Oracle, you can create a new one and you can try to log in and download the JDK. Okay, so the JDK is downloaded. So we can click on the download folder and you can see JDK 11.0.19 here. Okay, so double click on that. On clicking this one, you will be getting an option like this. Click on next, next. So now the version is installed in your machine. You can go to command prompt and type java space hyphen version and click enter. So currently it is showing like it is not installed. Java is not recognized. Okay, because I need to reopen the command prompt, then only it will be getting refreshed. Okay, so I am reopening by clicking Windows key and type cmd and click enter. So you'll be getting the page like this. Enter java hyphen version. Clicking enter, you'll be getting which version is installed, which version of JDK is installed in the Windows machine. Okay, so currently it is installed with 11.0.19. Okay, which is released on this date. Okay, so now we have done with the JDK installation. Now we need to configure the path. Okay, so you can go to C program files Java. If you go to the program files Java, you will be seeing JDK 11. Okay, in that go to bin. So copy the path. Now click on the Windows key and type environment. Okay. So you'll be getting option like this. Click on that. Click on the environment variables. So currently, when you are setting the configuration in the system variables, it will be applicable for the whole system. Okay, so all the users can utilize this settings. Okay, you can click on path and edit and click on new and paste the path which we copied. Okay, click OK, and now you can see Java JDK 11 bin is configured in the environment variable. Okay, additionally we will be also configuring Java underscore home for some of the application like Eclipse. Okay, so here you can paste the same path but remove the bin. Okay, so here it will not be expecting the bin. Okay, we need to mention JDK path alone. Okay, so you can click OK. So now we have configured both the things, Java underscore home, and we also configured bin path of the Java in path. Okay, both the things we have done in the system variables, we not done here. So if you are doing something here, whatever the configuration you are doing here, that will be applicable for this particular user alone. Okay, so we are done with the configuration. So that's all I have for this video. So we will see in another video. Thank you.